Welcome back everyone. Once again we are here with the economics classes, and today we are going to finalize our session with the help of holidays homework and project work, and I hope you will complete this work in the vacations. As soon as school will reopen, you have to submit your work. So students, let us start with that project work. So as we know that according to ISC, we are having two projects, and both projects will contain 10 marks. So overall format is of 1 marks, content of 4 marks, and another one that findings is of 2 marks, and Y-wise based on the project is of 3 marks. So these are the criteria for that 10 marks fixed by the council for both projects. So students, here you are watching total 8 projects are there. 1 and 2 is given in this one. These projects are also mentioned in your book. You can copy from anywhere else. Both are same. So any two projects you have to prepare. One project for first half and another project for second half. Means in annual examination both projects will be evaluated. In half-yearly examination only one project will be evaluated. But you have to prepare both projects. So first and second headings are given here. You can select any one of these 8 projects. So 1 and 2 is given here, then 2 3 4 is mentioned here again. So 3 4 you can count from here, and then 5 and 6 are given here. Okay, this is blank. Go for the next slide. So 7 and 8 projects are here. So total 8 projects are there. Out of 8 projects you have to select 2 projects, and you have to prepare the projects according to the board level, according to the standard of the board. At the end of the video I will issue one video also for knowing that quality of the project. So you will go through that quality of the project, and you can make your project according to that one. So next slide I want to show you that how the marks division will be there. Already I told you two projects are there, project 1, project 2, and both will be there 3 marks Y-wise and 7 marks on project. How it is there? 1 mark for format, 4 marks for content, and remaining 2 marks for presentation. So like this we are having this 7 marks plus 3 marks Y-wise, and then again second project like this. So this is the table for project work, evaluation of table work, evaluation of project work. So now we are going to discuss about holidays homework. So complete your copy till lesson number 7. Learn lesson number 1 to 5 for unit test 1, and learn model short answer questions on page number 433. So this is your holidays homework. Happy holidays to everyone. With this I am issuing the guideline for making project that you will go through, and then after that guidelines I am having one video to show you the quality of the project. So I hope all of you will go through that one, and quality of the project will be better than that one, not below that quality. So I hope you understood what I told. Out of these 8 projects you have to select any 2. You are free to select any 2. There is no foundation. Which one you are comfortable, you can go for that one. And that project you have to make at least 20 pages content. Means beside that acknowledgement, cover page, certificate, preface, and then content, and then bibliography and conclusion. Beside that at least 20 pages should be there in that project, so that your project may contain all that information about the project. So that is that criteria for the project. I hope you will go through the project and you will prepare well. So happy holidays to everyone, and I hope you will complete your work. Till then, God bless you. A4 size plain paper. With this you have to make cover page, you have to make acknowledgement, certificate, then preface, then content, then you have to start the project with the introduction, and with that you have to mention uh, that pictures related to that text on the left hand of your project, and right hand you will write the text, and in the last you have to mention the bibliography and as well as conclusion. So first conclusion, then bibliography.